Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to a really quick video on Project Vivaro. Now, I don't know if you've had this problem, but I've had this problem. The fan has not worked on number 4 since I've had it. So when you whack it up to, it goes 1, 2, 3, fine, 4, cuts off. So I just had a look at a plug in the engine bay and I'll show you what I found, and hopefully, if yours ain't working, same problem, real quick fix. Let's have a look. Sorry about the wind noise. Right, so on this one, all I did was took the plug off of there. Oh, let me get light. See the little plug up there? In behind this lot here. There we go, up there. Right, here's the plug. I'll lose my light there that we're looking at. Now if you look, can you see that? Oh, sorry. There. Right, that little one there. So I'm doing this very one-handed. Third one from the right, the bottom row, is all black. All I've done is cleaned that one with a little screwdriver, sprayed it with electrical cleaner, and I've done the same on the same connection up there, and it works fine. I'll plug it in and show you. Right, we're back in. Hope you can hear. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it works. So, if your fan's not working on number 4 on your Vivaro, Primastar or Traffic, this is an No.4 plate. Have a look at that plug quickly. Check it's got a good connection, and give it a spray of electrical cleaner. Careful putting it on there, you don't want to bend the old the pins, okay? So if you found this useful, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Look us up on Instagram, Larks_workshop. Hope to see you next time. Cheers then.